In this lecture we are going to study the properties of equipotential surface. Okay, so first property is that the electric field lines are always perpendicular to the equipotential surface. Okay, if you have a positive charge here and it is okay, electric field are just like this going outside. Okay, going outside electric field, then you have this equipotential surface which is always perpendicular to the electric field. Okay, so these are electric field and this is equipotential surface. Okay, so the equipotential surface is always perpendicular to the electric field. So this is one property. Now, okay, number two property is that for an isocels, for an isolated charge particle, it means that you have only single charge particle. For an isolated charge particle, the electric, equipotential surfaces are concentric circle like this. Okay, concentric is pair, first sphere, second sphere, and third sphere. All are concentric. First sphere, second sphere, third sphere, like the onion. Okay, so for all this equipotential surfaces, the electric field is always perpendicular. Okay, we got two properties. Number three property is that the two equipotential surface will never intersect with each other. For this, there are so many answers. I will give the simplest two. Okay, so they will never intersect because if they now see here, so this has got say V1, V2 and V3, isn't it? So each and every equipotential surface have different potential. So this is V1, the largest, V2 is smaller and V3 more is smaller because we are going away from the charge. So as we move away from the charge, the potential decreases. So V3 is weakest and V1 is the strongest. Now if these two intersect, okay, if this and this intersect, then what will happen? You know, V2 is different with V3. Now if they do like this, if they intersect, then what will happen at the point of intersection? They will have two different values of potential. Okay, it means that at the same point there cannot be two different potential. एक पॉइंट पर सिर्फ एक ही वैल्यू होना है पोटेंशियल का. सो इफ दे इंटरसेक्ट देन दे विल व्हाट दे डू, दे विल गिव द two values of potential for the same point, which is not possible because each and every equipotential surface have got different values of potential. If they intersect, they do. It has got say 3 potential, it has got 4 potential. If they intersect, then at this point of intersection, they will give me two values of electric potential, which is not correct. Number one reason. Number two reason is that if they intersect, they will violate the geometry of equipotential surface, right? If they intersect, they will violate the geometry. It means that what is the geometry of equipotential surface for an isolated charge? It is concentric sphere, and it has to be concentric sphere for all the time. Now, if they intersect, if this sphere intersect with this sphere, then what happens? They will not become what? Concentric sphere, because concentric spheres would be like this, first, second and third. Now if this and this intersect, it will become like this. And is it the correct geometry of equipotential surface? No. Okay, equipotential surface should be like this. So if they intersect, it will look like this. So next point is, if they intersect, it will. Okay, if they intersect, it will give what? It will give me, it will violate the geometry of equipotential surface. Now there are some more properties, and there are the work done on equipotential surface is zero. Okay, So for an example, you have this equipotential surface. Okay, equipotential surface. And if you do work done is equal to 0. Work done in this equipotential surface is 0. For any why? So you know this, okay, V is equal to electric potential is equal to work done per unit charge, right? So how much will be work done? Work done will be VQ is equals to work done. Okay, now let you move this charge. So this is charge at A and you travel and reach Q here, B, and you are doing work, right? Because you are moving from A to B and you are doing work, then how much will be work? Okay, this work will be Q is common here, same Q, then V final minus V initial, because the formula is work done equals to QV. Okay, so then this will become almost Q. What is V final? V final is B. What is V initial? It is A. Now what is the potential at A and what is the potential at B? VA is equal to VB. Why? Because this is a equipotential surface, isn't it? Potential at A is equal to potential at B. Then how much will be this? Same minus same will become 0 into Q, so equal to 0. So work done in equipotential surface is 0. Okay. Now next property is the potential. Okay. The potential inside a sphere, okay, is constant. Here the constant equipotential surface. Okay, this is my equipotential surface. This is equipotential surface. The potential inside the equipotential surface is constant. Here the potential is constant. Okay, potential V, that is potential inside the equipotential sphere is always constant. With this we end this lecture. Thank you.